To make this bread, you are going to need some yeast, some poppy seeds, some salt, some sugar, some bread flour, and some eggs. For this recipe, we are going to take 4 cups of the bread flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of the yeast, 1 cup of water, and then 3 eggs. Once you are done with that, plug in your KitchenAid or do your dough maker, but I use the KitchenAid, and then you just want to put your bowl in, put it down, latch it so it doesn't move, and then turn it on.
Maybe one day I won't sing about you. I'll sing a song about someone new. But right here, right now.
Now you're going to take, I have a cookie sheet that I'm using, and you're just going to want to tape it down and throw some flour on it.
You are on my mind, and I think about you all the time.
And now you're going to take that bread that you made, well, that dough that you made, and take it out and put it on the floured area.
Sending a message to you, and I'm hoping that it will get through.
Now once you have done this, I'm taking this pizza cutter and I'm going to just cut the dough in half.
When it was good, it was bitter.
Then I'm going to take the 2 doughs that I cut in half and cut into thirds. Now I'm going to knead these thirds into the length that I like. Now that I have them into thirds, I'm going to go ahead and braid them together.
Here's one last song for you.
Now you are going to grab a nice big cookie sheet and take some spray and just spray it. Now you are going to carefully move the bread from the floured space onto the cooking sheet.
I hope it makes you feel.
Now you're going to set your oven to the lowest degree that it can go. Now you're going to take the bread that you have braided together and put it into the oven so it can rise from 1 to 2 hours. Now that the bread has risen about twice in size, you're going to preheat the oven to 350 and let that preheat while they continue to rise. Now you are going to take a tablespoon of water and an egg yolk and whisk them.
And I hope it makes you burn.
Once you have mixed the yolk and the water together, you're going to take that and put it all over the bread.
And I hope it reminds you of how much it hurt.
Now that you're done with that, you are going to take some poppy seeds and just sprinkle it over the top.
Sending a message to you.
Now you can just wait until the oven is preheated to put in your bread. Now that the oven is preheated, you can take your bread and put it into the oven. Once you have put the bread in the oven, you set your timer for 20 minutes, start it, and just wait for the bread to be ready. Now once the oven beeps, you're going to open the oven and take out your bread. And then turn off the oven. So this is what your bread should look like when you're done with it. It should just be nice golden yellow. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all next week. Bye.